Question number 13 of test series 3 is from water resource engineering and from topic fluid mechanics. Now in this question it is asked that what is work done in blowing a soap bubble of diameter 15 centimeter where surface tension of soap solution is 0.05 Newton per meter. Now as we know that soap bubble, it has two interfaces, that is it is in contact with air, one from inside and one outside, so it is having two interfaces. So work done, that will be surface tension multiplied by surface area. Now surface area of soap bubble, it can be calculated as 4 pi into d by 2 its square multiplied by surface tension, which is given as 0.05 multiplied by 2, because here we are having two interfaces. So work done, that is given by 4 into pi, value of d is 0.15 when expressed in meter square into 0.10. So work done comes out to be 70.68 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton meter, making C as the correct answer. Now about two interfaces, say this is bubble, then we have thin film here, air inside and air outside, so we say it has two interfaces, whereas in case of a drop we will have water inside and air outside, so there will be only one interface in case of drop. So in case of drop this 2 will not come if it is asked in such a way, but right now C is the correct answer.